Next one, it is fourth question number fourth question, that is conversion method. Conversion method, it's very important method, and the maximum the wrong question under single entry system is this one only. Okay, so be carefully listen and be prepared more times. Okay, practice more and more times. In this question, Ram keeps his books on single entry system. The position of his business as on 1st April 2014 as follows. There is sundry creditors 17,000 and the premises 50,000, stock 25,000 and sundry debtors 20,000 and furniture 2,000. Okay, these are opening balances of assets and liabilities. Okay, assets and liabilities. An abstract of cash book is given below. Means cash book information is given. As per this cash book, cash from debtors, means collected from debtors, is 45,000 and cash sales is 55,000. This is the two receipts. And in this cash book, there is a bank brought down. There is a credit side, that is bank of overdraft. Bank overdraft value is as on 1/4/2014, that is 10,000. It is also opening balance sheet of the liability. Okay, this is the 10,000 we should be right, and the opening, that is statement of affairs, as a liability only. Okay, this is the opening balance. It is a negative cash balance. Okay, and expenses 55,000, drawings 3,000, sundry creditors, that is payments 20,000, cash in hand 3,000 and cash at bank 9,000. These two values at the end of the year. Okay, the end of the year, it is 3,000 and 9,000. This 3,000 and 9,000 we should be shown in closing balance sheet, under closing balance sheet asset side. Okay, next, not only this cash balance, cash and bank balances, there is other closing balances also is given in the question. That is stock 30,000, debtors 25,000, creditors 22,000. Provision for doubtful debts is to be made at 5%. Okay, should be prepared 5% on debtors, and the depreciation on furniture, it is 15,000, and the premises, finally it is 10%. Okay, finally we should be prepared trading and profit and loss account, and for the year ended 31st March 2015, and balance sheet as on that date also, that is 31st March 2015. Okay, we should be compute the net profit as well as, okay, that is the financial position of the business, that is with the preparation of new balance sheet after these adjustments. Okay, that is only the main important one. And this is the conversion method. Okay, see how to prepare these all those ones. So that is the opening balances of cash, cash balance. Okay, that is assets and liabilities is given, that is 1st April 2014. Okay, 1st April 2014. This is 31st March or 1st April 2014 as follows. That is creditors 17,000, right credit side, that is sundry creditors, that is 17,000 rupees, and the premises 50,000 rupees. Premises 50,000, it is asset. $50,000, and the stock also is given, that is 25,000, and the sundry debtors 20,000, sundry debtors 20,000, and furniture, it is 4,000 rupees, sorry 2,000 rupees. Furniture, it is 2,000 rupees. Okay, these are only the values. Okay, opening values. Okay, so now you can prepare opening capital with the help of opening statement of affairs. Okay, with this opening statement of affairs in the books of Ram, we should be compute opening capital. There is total of assets and also is there is a bank audit 10,000 also we should be right. Bank overdraft 10,000. So under receipts and payment account there is a credit side, there is a balance. Okay, that is 10,000 we should be right in opening balance sheet. Now we can compute it. 50,000 plus 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 2,000, which is equal to 97,000. Okay, liability side also you can write 97,000 minus 10,000 plus 17,000, 27,000, which is equal to 70,000. This is 70,000 opening capital. This is balancing figure. Okay, for preparation of trading and profit and loss account, the sufficient information is not available in the question, that is total sales and purchases. Okay, to know the sales and purchases we should be prepared debtors and creditors accounts. With the help of debtors account we should be know credit sales. Already cash sales is given in the question. Including credit sales, you can create total sales in the trading account credit side. Next, if you prepare creditors account, then you know purchases. That is purchases during the period. That is with the help of creditors. In this question, there is no cash purchases. Finally, we can treat it as all purchases or credit purchases only. So we can prepare the debtors account. That is opening debtors is 20,000. That is opening debtors. You should be right to opening or balance brought down. That is debtors amount is 20,000. Assets are debit balance. That is the reason you can write debit side to balance brought down 20,000. And whatever is end of the year, the closing value of the debtors is given in the question, that is 25,000. So it is 25,000. You can write by balance carried on it is 25,000. After that, whatever the receipts from the debtor, that is cash from debtors is 45,000. Debited receipts account and created the debtors account. That is by cash account it is the amount received from debtors, it is 45,000. Now you can compute the credit sales. That is 45,000 plus 25,000, it is 70,000. Debit side also you can write 70,000, that is 50,000 is credit sales, that is to sales account. You can write as a sales account credit sales. This is balancing figure. We computed sales also. That is credit sales. Already cash sales is given in the question, that is 55,000. In trading account we should be add credit sales as well as sales, cash sales. Next, after that you can prepare creditors account. That is a creditors account. With the help of opening creditors is 17,000. So creditors is a liability. Liabilities are credit balance. So write credit side by balance brought down. It is 17,000. And also you can write closing balance of creditors is 22,000. Closing balance of creditors is 22,000. That is the 22,000. You can write debit side to balance carry down is 22,000. And the amount also paid to sundry creditors is 20,000. So your created payment, that is a payment under receipts and payment account, okay, this is the amount you can write debit side to cash account, okay, that is 20,000. Okay, that is okay. Now whatever the difference value, it is the credit purchases. Now whatever the difference value is the credit purchases, that is 17,000 opening balance of creditors, 22,000 closing balance of creditors, and the cash it is paid 20,000, that is there is in the receipts and payment account. Now okay, whatever the difference by purchases account, okay, that is the balancing figure. So that is 20,000 means 42,000, credit side also 42,000 minus 17,000, which is equal to 25,000 is the credit purchases. Okay, now with this information you can prepare trading account. Okay, in trading account, first of all we should be write to opening stock. Start with opening stock. Already we know the opening stock with the help of opening statement of affairs, that is 25,000. Okay, 25,000. Next whatever the closing stock, we can create it to trading account by closing stock account. That is closing stock is it is there in the question, that is closing under closing balances, stock of closing stock, it is 30,000. Now you can create it 30,000. Okay, 30,000 in the trading and profit and loss account. This is in the trading account. Now credit side you can write by sales account. In this sales, cash sales, it is okay, it is given in the question, that is to cash sales 55,000. Next credit sales. Okay, credit sales is, that is we computed with the help of debtors account, that is 50,000. Now the total of sales is 1,05,000. Credit sales plus cash sales, and whatever the purchases also you can debit it to, okay, trading account to purchases account. The amount of purchases is 25,000. Okay, next whatever the difference amount you can compute it. That is only the gross profit. I think there is no other the indirect expenses. Then directly we can compute the profit, that is 1,35,000. Debit side also 1,35,000. If you deduct this is the 50,000, then to gross profit 85,000. Same gross profit you can create it to, okay, profit and loss account, that is by gross profit it is 85,000. Now you can write debit side to expenses account, that is expenses, that is in the credit side under the one, that is 55,000. In this balance sheet we should be write all closing balances after the adjustments. We can see what are the adjustments. Okay, that is first one, stock 30,000. Next debtors 25,000. but that is the debtors less provision for doubtful debts, it is 5%. 25,000 into 5%, which is equal to 1250. 1250. Next one, 25,000 minus 1250, which is equal to 23,750. Okay. Next, net profit. After stock, after debtors, next it is creditors. You can write liability side. Creditors account, that is 22,000. Next, furniture, it is 15% of the one. Furniture, the opening stock of furniture, opening value of the furniture is 2,000. On this 2,000 you can compute less depreciation, that is 15%. 2,000 into 15%, which is equal to 300. Now remaining amount is 1,700. Okay. Next, premises also. Okay, premises is 50,000. Premises 50,000 less depreciation on premises 10%, means 50,000 into 10%, which is equal to 5,000. Remaining amount is 45,000. Okay. Next one, stock already completed. Next, the cash accounts also is be mentioned. Cash in hand, that is 3,000 rupees. Cash at bank, that is 9,000 rupees. Okay. And next one, whatever this is adjustment values, okay, that is 1250, 300 and 5,000, you can debit it to profit and loss account. To provision for doubtful debts, it is 1250, and to depreciation on furniture, it is 300, and to depreciation on premises, is 5,000. Okay, now you can compute the actual profit, that is 85,000 minus 55,000 minus 1250 minus 300 minus 5,000, which is equal to 23,450 is the net profit. Okay, net profit is 23,450 after these all those adjustments. Okay, now prepare the balance sheet, closing balance sheet, that is start with opening capital. The opening capital of the one, that is we have prepared with the statement of affairs, that is 70,000. To this you can deduct drawings. Okay, deduct drawings. There is a drawings in this question, it is 3,000. 3,000. So if you deduct 3,000, that is 67,000. 67,000. Sorry, so next, less add net profit, that is 23,450. If you add this net profit, 90,450. there is no additional capital and so on. So directly 90,450 can write in the order column of the. Okay, now you can total the balance sheet. Okay, 99%, 100% it should be tally. Okay, or otherwise there is some work mistakes in the solution. Once you can check, the total of liabilities is 1,12,450 and the total of assets also 1,12,450. Like this we can compute the closing balance sheet after these adjustments and so on, and prepare the new balance sheet. Okay, it indicates okay full marks. Okay, the examiner also is impressed and given allotted full marks for this solution to you. Okay, and this is very important question, and practice more and more times. Okay, don't forget, and if you have any doubts, please be contact 74168 62278. Okay, and if you please be comment on this video also for better communication but for better explanation, and if you require any the same material, same solutions in PDF format, please be contact to this number. Okay, thank you.